Yeah. No. Let a beat done speak back of what the fuck. I done spit a couple tracks, nigga, like I said, what? I am on that dumb shit, I keep spitting raps. What the fuck, dog? I need to bring my nigga Ruckus back. This nigga in the back beating me in the head with the pool stick, but I can't see that he doing it. It doesn't really matter, nigga, I'm going off the icy cottons and the fucking Honda that drove. I keep having these hoes smoking, they keep loving it, so they keep fucking smoking. They smoking my dick, and I love that shit. Now get back, nigga. It's motherfucking stacks in this bitch. This nigga on that fucking dumb shit. I need to pass it to my nigga Ruckus, and I need to dump it on these niggas like this motherfucking man that I got on my back. What the fuck, I am ripping that track. My nigga Ruckus about to come on. He about to go home and get this motherfucking come on. I don't even wanna rap on that. Hold on, dog. This nigga said he ain't gon' rap off this beat. I might as well put this nigga and start some fucking heat. Ruckus, come over here, my nigga, dog. You need to hit it, cause it sound like shit, and I'm killing it. Okay. I just wanted you to rap with me, man. Damn.
Look, don't apologize, just fucking realize you fucking with a nigga and I'll bury you alive, nigga. I take your fucking eyes out and stomp on them. What you need to know, nigga, yeah, I get on them, yo, 24/7. I'm like a Mack truck. What you need to know, nigga, back the fuck up, my nigga. Yeah, I fucking slit your fucking throat, nigga. 6 feet under, man, they won't be able to find you to the dope, nigga. Yeah, dope mixed with boat, nigga. Yeah, the 1600, yeah, castles, what you know, nigga. Translated, you know it. Yeah, you ain't done what you need to know, nigga. When I'm done, you be numb, my nigga. Yeah, I said what I said, it was a little brutal. Next time I'll hit you in the mouth.
Check it, this nigga talking about 1600. I'm off the 18 and I ain't fucking playing, G. I got this Mac on my back that will pull your hat back so fast that I will kill a fucking track. I'm off the motherfucking.
Why'd you do that?
I just wanna